Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of the Rio Mino Bridge in Clarendon. Now this bridge was recently built as part of Highway 2000 and this is the widest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. No, it's not the widest bridge in Jamaica, it's the widest 4-lane bridge because I think the bridge in Harborview is wider, but this one was recently built as a part of Highway 2000. Now if you look at, as we fly down to the bridge, this is the Maypen interchange, and the Rio Mino Bridge actually connects this section of the highway to the section that was there before. But you can look at this, the size of this bridge compared to the bridge on the left. The bridge on the left is the Maypen bypass. You can see how much larger this bridge is than the other one. This bridge was built by China Harbour Engineering Company. And as you can see, this is a very busy highway. This section of the highway, this bridge connects the Kingston to Maypen section of Highway 2000 to the Maypen to Mandeville section of the highway. And this is a very nice view of the bridge. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. I'm showing you the bridge and then we're going to show you the interchange. This is Highway 2000 East-West leg, the Maypen to Mandeville leg. And coincidentally, this road was built to be a toll road, but they're not collecting toll on this section of the road. So from where we are now to where the highway ends by Melrose Hill, there is no toll being collected on the highway. We'll get into why. Actually, we have videos up as to why the government paid to build this section of the highway, but Trans-Jamaica Highway has a concession to collect toll on the highway, and the government wants Trans-Jamaica Highway to pay them back for building the highway and then use a toll to recoup the cost. But Trans-Jamaica Highway doesn't want to do that. So as it is now, the highway is free, you don't have to pay to use it, and it's probably going to stay like that because this road was finished over a year now. Over a year, and or is it 2 years? I can't remember. Guys, leave your comments in the section below. When was this highway finished? I think it was last year. But if they can't come to an agreement between then and now, I don't think they're going to come to an agreement. So the road will remain free. And it's a very nice road, I must say. Very impressed with the work that China Harbour Engineering Company did. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.